Craving something warm, cozy, and full of fall flavor, but don't want to turn on the oven? This pumpkin cheesecake mug cake is creamy, spiced, and ready in minutes. Think of it as your favorite fall dessert, made right in your mug. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. Mix it with half a tablespoon of sugar for sweetness, and a dash of lemon juice or vanilla extract to balance the richness. Stir until smooth and creamy. Keep this aside. In a microwave-safe mug, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives your cake its soft, fluffy base. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and just a pinch of nutmeg. Whisk everything together so the dry ingredients are well combined. That way your cake turns out even and light. Add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. This brings moisture. Pour in 2 tablespoons of milk to make the batter smooth. Then add 1 tablespoon of melted butter or oil for richness. Finish with a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a cozy bakery-style flavor. Stir until smooth and creamy. Make sure no dry flour remains at the bottom. The batter should look silky and smell like fall in a cup. Spoon the cheesecake mixture right in the center. Use the tip of your spoon to swirl it gently through the batter. This creates those beautiful cheesecake ripples inside the cake. Microwave on medium-high power for about 70 to 80 seconds. While it rests, make a quick frosting. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of cream cheese for creaminess, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar for sweetness, and half a teaspoon of milk to thin it out. Mix until smooth and creamy. It should have a rich, pourable texture that glides easily off your spoon. Not too thick, not too runny. Spread this frosting on top, then dust with a little cinnamon for those warm fall vibes. And there you have it, a pumpkin cheesecake mug cake that's creamy, fluffy, and bursting with fall flavor. The perfect quick dessert when you're craving something cozy and sweet. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.